I know how to tuck and roll.
We did. Here,
I had a dream about me and my mom and me. We were crossing my neighbor's street.
Yeah.
Then we were then I tripped and fell on the road.
Oh, you tripped and fell on the road. That was a dream?
Yeah, then that's it.
Okay, so tuck and roll. Let's show everybody what I taught you. Tuck and roll. Nice. So now you can jump like the army man, huh? And you just roll to the side. Okay? Perfect, man. Yes! Tuck and roll. Are you going to show him? What's it called?
tuck and roll.
He does tuck and roll like the army man.
Yes.